If your vision is not what you'd like it to be, I'll bet you've considered laser surgery. But there is that fear factor, the fear of anybody doing surgery on your eyes. Well, here's a place I would trust with my eyes, Hoops Vision. I trust them because we've investigated their business practices and the way they treat their patients. And as a result, I am proud to endorse Hoops Vision as Gephardt Approved.
Where are you from originally?
Meet Wayne Moss, a Weber County Sheriff's deputy who admits he has terrible vision, 2400. We asked him to tell us the time on that clock tower over there.
Where's the clock? I don't see the clock.
This is about what the clock tower looks like to Wayne without glasses. While he says he's been struggling with glasses and contacts since the 4th grade, it's taken him this long to overcome the fear of getting LASIK surgery, and that's what brings him to Hoops Vision.
I don't think anybody needs to fear anything.
Dr. Philip Hoops runs Hoops Vision Correction Center. Every week you'll see him in a sterile cap and gown in one of his laser surgery suites.
You'll feel pressure, a little push on the eye. It only takes 14 seconds to make the flap.
Permanently improving his patient's vision. Since 2000, Dr. Hoops says he and his staff have performed more than 40,000 LASIK and refractive surgeries and over 70,000 vision correction surgeries.
All right, you're halfway through with your surgery. That was the hard part, so the worst is over.
In fact, Dr. Hoops is one of a half dozen eye surgeons in the country 30 years ago who was intimately involved in the original Food and Drug Administration clinical trials that led to the approval of laser eye surgery today. So now, watch him overcome the patient's fear with facts and his enthusiasm.
These are the happiest patients that you'll ever see. Straight up at the green light.
Dr. Hoops says the technology of laser surgery has made the lasers precise. In fact, Dr. Hoops says since he purchased this latest state-of-the-art laser machine 8 years ago, he has not seen one issue, infection, or complication. So he says he sleeps well at night as patient after patient is thrilled with overcoming fear and improving their eyesight.
This is just absolutely amazing. I mean, there really can't be a better profession, a better job than what I do, help people improve their vision, get out of glasses, in the case of cataracts, restore vision. This is our interlaced laser that makes the flap.
Wayne Moss is experiencing that amazing procedure, beginning in this first laser machine, which precisely prepares his eyes for the final laser treatment.
It is actually a pain-free experience for 99% of the patients.
Dr. Philip Hoops Jr. has followed his father into the practice because he says he watched his father's dedication to medicine, discipline, success, and satisfaction growing up.
I can perform a dozen surgeries on one day and have those 12 patients come see me the following day, and they're grinning ear to ear and they see an immediate improvement to their life. And why not, want to do that for a career and get patted on the back?
At Hoops Vision, they see patients for more than just vision correction. They deal with eye diseases and treatments as well, with what Dr. Hoops describes as a very carefully chosen staff of 4 surgeons, 5 optometrists, and 50 or so technicians, nurses, assistants, and others on the staff.
They have to have compassion, obviously, and they have to understand that patients have this fear. And then from their experience, they know how to alleviate that fear and anxiety. But you got to have good people.
Dr. Hoops says they screen patients who request laser vision correction and wind up turning down some 25% because it might not be safe for that patient or the anticipated results might not be what's expected.
Can you read that line? AFED.
But what happened for Wayne Moss is more than he expected. He's now been out of surgery for about 10 minutes, and I asked him again, what time is it on that clock tower, which an hour ago he couldn't see.
Now I can see it. It's like 11:20. See everything out there. It's awesome.
Remember, Wayne was 2400. Now it's the first time since the 4th grade he's been without glasses.
I can see without contacts or glasses. Incredible. I can see.
So Hoops Vision, now you know something about their business practices, and you know something about the way they treat their patients, and you know something about Dr. Hoops himself, and now you know why I am proud to endorse Hoops Vision as Gephardt Approved.